So we did say that 2026 is the year of being that girl. And along with that, my sister and her husband and my boyfriend gifted me something really special to make my dreams come true. And I am not doing this really well, but yeah, we shall unbox together. But like, I am so excited because the gift was announced on Christmas and it's finally here. And it's my favorite color. Like 2026, looking good already. M4 512 GB, and it's the blue color. And I'm so excited because my current laptop is literally a freaking dinosaur. I bought her in 2020 and this is the first time I've upgraded her since. I didn't need one when I was working as the company provided that girl. And it was pink, so it's like they never really had it in any color that I ever wanted. Look at her. She is subtle, but she is that girl. She is. And you will not believe that the wire is also blue. Ta-ta-ta. Oh my god, period. I love how nice and fresh it feels. I've been waiting for this forever. So let me set her up. But my girl did me. I'm gonna be working so hard because she is motivating me. It comes with whatever this is that I haven't opened yet. And this is my ate. Say hi, be nice, bitches. And look at the prong. It comes with 2 slots. This is revolutionary. I mean, this is a slay because you don't ever need to buy another one. Thank you so much. Oh my god, girl. I love how like it feels bigger, even though like it's just a 13-inch screen. It's like it feels like a 16-inch. So you have this, whatever that is, and that's it. And it just shows you that like they're bringing back, where is she? Here. So they have the headphone jack, they have your 2 Thunderbolt, but they also have like the MagSafe charging, which is this, since they're losing money over Type-C chargers. Joke lang. But yeah, they still kept the Touch ID, so I love that because that's also revolutionary. But like, I don't think they've had the touch bar in a really long time. So that is she. And as I was saying, that's the charging port and your 2 Type-C plugs and then your headphone jack. So still, she's there. She stays. Thanks for watching. Bye.